Hi. So basically, this is Gemini Product Manager. It's basically an AI as a product manager. And one key thing about this is we have teams, we have solo founders who want to like work on things at the right time, who want to assign things to the right people. And not everybody can afford a product manager. And this is why we decided to build this. And to demonstrate long context, rather than just creating tickets of maybe words, descriptions, priorities, we're including the ability to create text off your code. Yes, yeah, that's right, off your code. So we're going to go into that now. So the first part is to create helper functions, which we're going to be using throughout this code. And um, now, when we look at creating a product requirement document, one very important thing is to ask questions about the product. And with these questions, we're able to like look at them and compare them with our PRD template, which we can then see, okay, does this work? If it doesn't work, then the next thing is to ask clarifying questions. So based on the answers of the clarifying questions and the answers of the initial questions, it's able to generate a PRD that works well. And by the way, this is stores by Paddy. It's basically an e-commerce store, but one that different vendors can come in, create accounts, and upload their products to sell. So it creates the PRD. Then it also creates an like software architecture design, and this is very useful for new projects, right? Or and even if it's an old project, just give the relevant information, and it's able to create an architectural design that fits what you want, and even helps guide new team members and people coming on board to understand the product and what it's about, how it works. And this could be a long-standing document that helps guide all future improvements. And this is the result. Now I'm going to the key part. So normally, um, sorry. So normally, product managers or people most of the time assign tickets that are usually based off what the product does. Now, most times they don't put the code into context. And now this can be easy for a new project. This can be acceptable for some other projects. But if you're looking at really high quality code, you're looking at assigning tasks the right way, you're looking at describing tasks the right way, then you need the context of what the code is. Now, it becomes difficult when it comes to, okay, can I upload my entire GitHub repo? No, you don't have to. So we have the code consolidation. So this basically asks you questions about your code, and it's then able to create a simple script. Now, this script is a script that works for any kind of product. So it just once it understands how you built it, creates the script, you run the script, and it gives your entire code into a single file you can upload. And then when you upload the file alongside the PRD, the architecture design, and also your team members and their um, functions or roles, it's able to generate the tickets. And these tickets are generated with enough information that can be used to build them, solidly. And we also created an helper function that can basically take these tickets and put the tickets, assign tickets on Jira for you. Now, yeah, like next steps for improvements or ways this project can even be better. So the first one is being able to connect design files to better allocate tickets, especially for front-end tasks. Now we're looking at long context. We already have the code base coming in, which could be like well over 100,000 tokens, even probably up to a million tokens. But of course, limiting the code base to just the relevant code, which we did earlier, ensures that the code is less than 2 million tokens. Now, being able to connect design files gives this more context, and it's even able to potentially attach the design files to the tickets on Jira. Now, the real deal about this is to implement context catching alongside, because we have the PRD, the code base, the designs, and provide a simple tool, a simple chatbot that any member of the team can come to ask questions about the product. Even new members can come to learn about the product, and we can set this up to such a way that they are being prompted to update the code regularly. Now, this can actually do everything that a PM should be able to do for a team. Thank you.